Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is AC Coakley if you're new here. I'm going to my friend's house. I'm going to Sacramento this weekend. Ooh, out of the way. I'm going to Sacramento this weekend with my friends. We're going to the river. I'm scared. I don't know. I don't know myself. Things could go wrong, but I'm hoping not. I hope it's just a good time. Yeah, so I'm about to head out. We're not leaving today like we originally planned. We're gonna leave tomorrow. And so I'm just gonna sleep over because we're gonna leave pretty early. And so I'm heading to Oakland. I need a jacket, but I don't know what jacket to wear. And I'm crazy because like, why am I wearing shorts right now? About to go outside, but I was supposed to leave like 2 hours ago. So now I'm pretty sure it's cold outside. It's probably warmer in Oakland, but I don't feel like changing. Okay, I don't feel like putting pants on. Should I put pants on, you guys? OMG, my bag is already so full. Should I put pants on? Let me stick my leg out of the window. Okay, I didn't stick my leg, but I have a window right in the corner over here. I put my hand outside. It's still like not bad. Nah. So annoying. Summer ain't really summer out in San Francisco, okay? At times. We've been actually having a lot of warm days, so I'm about to head out, and so I will catch you guys when I get there. I'm gonna just do this, and I got my suitcase. It is so full. I'm literally going for, I mean, I need things for tomorrow, but also tonight, because I am sleeping over. Hello? And then we're leaving on Sunday, so like that's another day of clothes to wear. So yeah, I need all the things. I'm gonna put this one back. I tried it, it was too full, it kept breaking open. I'll go put this back. Okay, when is my bus even coming?
Yeah, with the quickness, like damn.
This is my today merch. Sell it.
Right, and I still got my food.
Who?
I told you, remember I told you it's a surprise that she was coming. I told you.
Oh yes, I was so excited. I was like, she's here. Okay, I'm excited. I'm so excited.
She time out because she says, "Hey, what's the address?" I'm like, "To who? TC's house," and I was like, "It's this." Why? In case I go missing, I'm like, "Girl."
I need to send to my emergency contact.
I'm doing my will, and I'm gonna send it to you.
She did that.
Please send your emergency contact the address, because that's what I did. Yep.
Both of y'all. It's fun. It's cute.
You have to.
We're gonna have so much fun tomorrow, I promise. And like right now, we're like doing this, but tomorrow we're gonna be like this.
I'm so no.
Oh wait, no.
No.
Like this.
Lies. You just said.
This that one part. Remember that one part? Remember that one part?
Yes.
It's
scary.
cute.
It's
for
fun.
like 2
No,
minutes.
it's
It's for like 2
Not
minutes.
scary. It's just
A lot can happen in
no.
2
It
minutes.
just got
True.
intense. Like it's
Also,
just
nothing.
intense.
Also, Brian got stung by a bee. And I was like, "Are you allergic?" I don't know, but we on the fucking river. How we gonna find out? I was so scared for him. Like, I'm like,
You were hella worried.
I was worried. I'm like, I don't have nothing to give you. Like, you might fucking die. He didn't die.
Is
obviously.
this supposed to make me feel better?
No, it's just a bee.
Yeah.
Bees are everywhere. It's part of the beehive, so it's fine.
It's so fun.
It's fine. You're gonna feel like
Like,
she's gonna feel like Pocahontas.
Don't
Don't get in the water.
I was
Don't
like,
get
I
in.
saw
No,
the
you
video.
can go.
No.
You can swim.
Wait, so am I
But don't get in
supposed
the
to
water.
wear my swimsuit?
Oh, yeah.
Where
You're gonna get wet.
What if it's
Okay.
sloppy and stuff? But like,
You're gonna get very wet.
I don't think we should get in the water unless we stop and go
Everyone,
on a beach.
everyone's gonna stop because there's a swing.
Yeah. Otherwise,
Because Tasha got stuck in the fucking
no,
tornado.
because there's also like
In the
trees
whirlpool?
underneath. There's trees underneath the river. So,
Tasha, what?
Bruh, I swear
You
to
said
God.
there's trees?
Tasha got stuck in the whirlpool.
Tasha was like this.
We were in our own little floaty, just just chilling. She was tied onto the floaty. I don't know what happened. And that shit like snapped off. She had like, what the fuck? And she took off. I don't know where she went because River's going. Cause she
Who tied it?
We all tied it. No, we all tied it. And Tasha was.
I think we all sing.
Tasha ended up ahead of us because she's one person and she's go faster than us. We eventually saw her. She's literally in this like, you guys help me!
I'm thinking.
She's literally going in circles like hella long.
I'm moving. I'm going back.
She's literally doing this. She's like,
He felt hella good. I also forgot to tell AC that
Not the lighting.
there's bats, but not near us. But they're like when you're in the river on the side, you gonna see a building. It's abandoned, but there's baby bats there that just hang around, but they're far away from us. You can't see them.
I don't want to be around no damn bats.
But they're sleeping because it's daytime.
Okay.
Tasha, this yours?
Yeah,
It's gonna be
they're
really
not
fun. Right now,
fun.
she'll be like, it's scary. Tomorrow, she'll be like, it's scary. She's gonna be twerking. Watch half the time. Ass in the video, like, bop, bop, bop. Hey, hey. Watch.
Ah, fuck it
Bop,
up.
bop, bop.
Ah,
Period. I want a shot. My shot is.
they're hella high though.
Good morning, friends. We're heading to Sac now. We're all ready to go. Let me show you my outfit of the day.
I'm just waiting.
It's a little romper. Okay, I wore this last week. Please, yes, I'm outfit repeating. But I was wearing bottoms. This time I'm not wearing bottoms. Okay, and the bucket hat, the Bay FC, our soccer team, bucket hat, and my swimsuit's under.
Hey YouTube. We are now heading over to Sacramento,
Yes.
California,
Mm-hmm.
where they have one of the cleanest waters. I don't know that, but
What?
I assume they do.
I was like-
We're going right here, like here,
Mm-hmm.
where the people stink.
Okay, let's
But we coming.
I love my outfit. I just forgot that I was wearing makeup, so I put makeup on my forehead. I'm so annoyed.
We can advertise this Beyonce rise.
Mm-hmm.
We support our girl, and we can't afford the bigger bottle.
I hate it.
Road trip.
Why my bad bitches pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad, but
high
now
volume,
a bitch
high volume.
okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south, bad bitch, discreet shit, so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. Yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I been.
There's water in my cup.
How's it going?
Swear, like, it's just water. Okay. We're moving by ourselves, y'all.
Hey. Say hey, Tasha.
Batty, shot o'clock. Your phone's gonna be
Get it.
wrapped up in your. Oh, if you want.
Oh,
look, your pockets. And that vest looks waterproof.
Oh,
we
scary,
spinning.
y'all. Oh my
I
god.
need support in the back.
Oh, damn.
Oh, we
Do your job.
by ourselves.
Feeling every summer, that real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, and you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch. I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout now.
I'm scared. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
What is this happening? a turn.
I know. I'm trying. Can you hold this then? Hold this for me so I can put on it.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Oh.
Damn.
I'm trying to turn, but I can't.
No, the other way.
Oh, we're gonna hit the slide.
I'm trying to turn, y'all. How to turn that bitch?
Oh my gosh, we're coming close. My gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, snap. Push it away. Push it away. We're going backwards. I'm so.
Yeah.
I'm out here in Miami.
Stop.
Looking for the hoochie daddy. Yeah.
Shit. I didn't realize there was more. I thought that was the last one.
Pound town.
Go AC.
Bitch down.
Here.
What?
Let me help you. Yeah. It's deep now. It's deep.
Is it?
Wait, hold on.
Pound town. Just left pound.
How are you enjoying yourself?
I'm loving this.
I'm really happy you came out to nature, which was scary.
I know. I was really scared before. Now look at me. Look at me.
You don't be doing this shit like this. So I'm proud of all y'all. All the black people.
All the black people was scared.
Look.
You're my everything. You're my everything.
You're my everything. Don't start. Ew. Oh, you look like a fall backwards. Make me sweat. We love Tyler. Oh shit, oh shit. I'm so sorry.
Here's some. What? Hey.
Hey.
Beat it up. Catch a charge.
Scary as fuck, bitch.
Hop on top. I wanna ride. I gotta kill. When it's
I wanna get skies. I want you to park that Big Mac truck.
right in the
Still go ride.
get clean.
I tell them I'm moving units. My videos they gon' view.
Spotify ain't gotta lie. They're really streaming my music.
I give bitches.
You got it.
From that way. Oh, no, we carry it, but if we go that way, yeah. Hella real.
I don't want to be done. This is fun. No.
Okay.
Tell him no.
Fuck that.
Okay.
Mark that. I put your computer here. Okay.
Yo, we're not done yet.
Uh-huh.
Cece, wake
We're
up.
still partying.
We gotta eat.
We're still partying.
That was her weak ass. That was her weak ass. I'm sleepy spring. Woo!
I'm scared. Okay. So, basically, we got some Ghanaian food out in Sacramento because I know of the Ghanaian restaurant that's out here, and they ran out of plantain, basically canceled our entire order. It was a mess. Someone brought only a meat pie, and the meat pie was picked at. Like, what? What happened? Like, yeah. They only brought a meat pie, and it was a meat pie that was picked at. Like, you didn't bring our whole order, one. You brought something that somebody else ate. Like, I'm just confused. So I got my money back, and then we ordered from a Liberian place, so hopefully it's good. Yeah, they're about to approach, and we're gonna eat this food because what's going on? I only want African food when I go to other places, because other places have it. San Francisco, Oakland barely has it. Oakland barely. They have places, but like not as much. Okay, where are they? Are they at the gate? Okay, so I got the food. It doesn't look bad. So I guess the Liberians are winning today over the Ghanaians. This is jollof. It already comes with plantain. I wish I would have known that, or we would not have ordered this extra plantain, but it's fine. And then we got meat pies. There's 3 of them. Yeah, I'm excited. Rush. No, rush.
What's it called?
Into the
Don't wanna feel like who is that?
No.
That and the album.
Wanna feel it. Rushing through your hair, rushing through your hair. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Don't let nobody tell you your life is over. Be every color that you are. Into the rush now, you don't have to roll out. And it'll all be good. Before you try.
That's so crazy.
I love this song by Nationality. It's the one from Herbie Fully Loaded.
Which one?
We both love it. Sorry.
She was so pretty there.
I did like her and Herbie.
You used to
No.
Who goes, don't wanna
What is that?
That was good. No one to feel it.
I wanna come first. Oh shit, y'all.
I like that one.
You just listen to reverse.
One about me.
Let's connect to your email.
Go. And 5, 6, 7, go.
Yeah.
Oh, they'll probably go to the water. We love it. 1, 2, 3, and 5. I love it. It's
Literally.
not
Not at all.
I need you with the music.
We're almost done.
Yep, I need you with the music.
Those are how to go. Let's dig in, y'all.
Next time we know,
Yeah.
six people bar.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Because that was a little too slow. No, it wasn't.
I feel like it was fine.
But I feel like if we wanted to be more comfortable and not have to worry about like where's the drinks, where's the traps, where's the we have the area for that.
Yeah.
It was too like how we can head up.
Yeah.
And move around.
Uh-huh.
Like I wanted to get off, but like I was just sitting there with both like.
Yeah. We're back, y'all. You see I'm already in my sweatshirt? I hate it here.
Back in the cold.
Back in the cold, back in the Bay Area. It was so much fun. I had the best time. I will do that again. We went to American River Raft Rentals. So if you guys ever want to go, it's in Sac. Yeah. It's so much fun. It ain't free. Alright. Bye, y'all. I don't know if I'm closing the vlog here. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, all that jazz. I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay? If I'm not, bye. See y'all in a second.